Pitching a story. Master the art of persuasion. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that storytellers, entrepreneurs, and even you might use. Pitch a story. This expression is all about persuasion and presentation. Let's unfold its meaning together. Pitch a story refers to the process of presenting a story idea to someone with the intention of convincing them to accept it. This could be a writer proposing a new book to a publisher, a screenwriter presenting a script to a producer, or even a marketer suggesting a campaign narrative to a client. The pitch is the persuasive element. It's your chance to shine and sell your idea. A good pitch is more than just an explanation. It's a performance. It should have the following elements. Clarity. Your idea should be clearly and concisely explained. Passion. Show enthusiasm for your story. Structure. Present your ideas in a logical order. Purpose. Explain the significance of your story and why it matters. When you're ready to pitch, you typically go through these steps. 1. Introduction. Briefly introduce yourself and your story. 2. The hook. Start with something that grabs attention. 3. The body. Lay out the main points of your story and its potential. 4. The close. End with a strong statement that leaves a lasting impression. Here are a few tips to make your pitch compelling. Practice your pitch. Know it by heart. Be prepared to answer questions. Be open to feedback and ready to adapt your story if necessary. That's all on Pitch a Story. Remember, it's all about presenting your idea in a way that excites and convinces your audience. Happy pitching, and see you in the next video where we'll explore more interesting phrases. Keep learning and keep sharing stories.